This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk on August 16th, 2016. All times on the chart are Central Standard Time. What direction is this market going in? Now, if you just take a look at this particular chart, this is an IB chart. Initial balance, high and low. What direction is the market going? Now, I think many people will say it's probably going down, and we agree. We believe it's going down. And yet, what you've got here is a difficult pattern wherein you've got a higher low and a lower high. So you have to kind of wonder, what direction is this going in, just on the basis of pattern. Looking at what happened yesterday, the market floundered and began to drop, and we believe it will continue to drop today down into the area right around 74, 2174 and a quarter. We believe that number will get hit. But if you're looking at the premium, which of course is one of the most significant ways to go about this, we just drew a couple of simple threshold lines. I'm not even quite sure they're accurate right now. But if these numbers are even reasonably accurate, you know that this level at 81 is going to get tested by way of that bar. But by the same token, we can expect that this low over here will also be tested by way of this bar. So where we'll go in the meantime, it remains to be seen. I believe we're going to go back up, test that 81 level before we resume coming down. But on a 1-minute chart, that's the analysis. Probably go up, test 81, come back down, and continue to drop. Now let's take a look at a 5-second chart. We believe that's much better approach to take than a 1 minute. Now, using a 5-second chart places our thresholds at negative 253 on the high and negative 355 on the low. And based upon that, we definitely expect the 81 level to be tested. Now, on the downside, all we've got to work with is pattern here, because we don't have anything that's really telltale on the chart at the moment. So that's what we've got to work with. We're working with pattern, and at the moment we're looking for a rally back up to 81. And nothing showing us on the downside other than overall pattern. So we'll come back a little later and see how this develops. We just hit 21.8075, and you can see where the premium is right now. So we should have no problem getting back up to 81. Oftentimes what happens there, when we return to a previously predicted price, we'll get another spike in the premium that indicates the market is continuing to move in that particular direction. Now we just hit the 81 mark as expected. We're still a little bit above our threshold line, so we suspect that might get, we're continuing to test 81, and now we're dropping below that line, so that might suggest that's all she wrote.
But that's the power of the premium. So looking at a nice long trade into that level and then taking profits would have been a really easy trade, but we've got several gaps now in the market as well. And if you have worked with us in the past, you know how to identify those gaps. Those are fairly predictable, so we can expect this market now to drop at least a little bit. And she may continue to go up. We'll just have to see. But that's the power of the premium. It's direction that the market could not easily determine based on pattern alone, but the premium gave us that target at 81. So a nice little move up from 79 to 81. A couple of points. Easy money. I'm Rod Kusin, Spooman for Risk.